Which automatic gate opener is actually worth your money? Simple question, but the answer is. Every brand claims reliability, solar power, and easy setup, but which ones deliver? Today, we cut through the noise and show you the real winners based on real-world performance and honest flaws. Product number 1, Cozy 1400 LB Sliding Gate Opener. Let's start with the Cozy 1400 LB Sliding Gate Opener. At just $244.64, this is one of the most affordable kits on the market, and it caught my eye because it handles gates up to 40 feet and 1,400 pounds, impressive for the price. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 550W motor moves your gate at about 42 feet per minute, which is fast enough for daily use without feeling sluggish. It comes with 2 remote controls that work up to nearly 100 feet away, perfect for pulling into your driveway without getting out in the rain. The infrared obstacle detection is a big deal too. If something or someone is in the way, the gate automatically reverses, which means safer operation for kids and pets. Plus, it supports up to 25 remotes so big families or small businesses can all have access. Now, some people complained about the installation instructions being unclear, especially for first-timers. Here's the thing though, if you've ever installed basic hardware before, you'll be fine. The kit includes all necessary bolts and brackets, and honestly, watching a quick YouTube tutorial makes it way easier. It's not plug and play, but it's definitely doable. This is perfect for you if you have a sliding gate under 40 feet, want strong security features, and don't want to spend over $300. Skip this one if you need solar power or have a heavier gate. This isn't built for extreme loads. For the price, it delivers solid value and peace of mind. Product number 2, Ghost Controls TSS-1XP Solar Swing Opener. Now, if the Cozy's lack of solar power bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. The Ghost Controls TSS-1XP. At $860.15, it's a serious investment, but it's built for off-grid convenience. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The included 10-watt solar panel keeps the battery charged even in low-sun areas, and the remote works from up to 1,000 feet away. Yes, that's not a typo. That means you can open your gate from down the street. Installation is DIY-friendly with no welding or high-voltage work needed, and the tube gate brackets make mounting on metal gates super easy. Plus, it's compatible with smart apps with an add-on, so you can control it from your phone. Now, some people complained about the battery not being included, and that's a real pain. You'll need to buy a separate 12V Deep Cycle Marine battery, which adds around $100 to the cost. Here's the thing though, once it's set up, the system runs quietly and reliably for years with almost no maintenance. It's a long-term play. This is perfect for you if you live in a remote area, hate dealing with electrical wiring, or want a clean, modern setup. Skip this one if you're on a tight budget or have a solid panel gate. It's not recommended for those. For off-grid freedom, this is one of the best options out there. Product number 3, Ghost Controls TDS-2XP Dual Solar Opener. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for larger properties. The Ghost Controls TDS-2XP. At $1,243.87, this is the heavy-duty dual swing gate opener for homes with 2-leaf gates. Here's why this matters for you specifically. You get 2 powerful arms, each driving one side of the gate, so there's no strain or misalignment over time. The 10-watt solar panel keeps everything running, and like the single version, the remote reaches 1,000 feet. It also includes 2 remotes and supports smartphone control with an add-on module. The build quality feels premium, solid steel arms, weather-resistant control box, and all mounting hardware included. Now, some people complained about the weight and complexity during installation. This thing is 46.6 pounds and requires precise alignment. Here's the thing though, if you take your time or hire a handyman for a few hours, it's totally manageable. This isn't a weekend project, but the result is a smooth, silent, and reliable gate operation. This is perfect for you if you have a wide dual swing gate and want top-tier solar performance with minimal maintenance. Skip this one if you only have a single gate or are trying to stay under $1,000. For large homes or estates, This is the gold standard. Product number 4, Ghost Controls TSS1 Non-Solar Swing Opener. Now, if solar isn't a must-have and you want Ghost Controls quality without the premium price, check out the TSS1 model at $706.92. It's the non-solar version of their single swing opener, but still built for gates up to 20 feet or 900 pounds. You get the same reliable arm and remote range, just powered by AC or a battery you charge manually. Here's why this matters for you specifically. It includes an AC transformer, so if you have power near your gate, you can plug it in and forget about battery maintenance. The remote still works from 1,000 feet, and the system supports smart upgrades later. It's also compatible with tube, wood, and chain link gates, and comes with round post adapters, great if your gate posts aren't standard. Now, some people complained about the battery not being included and the need for extra wiring if you go the AC route. Here's the thing though, this gives you flexibility. You can start with battery power and add solar later or hardwire it for constant power. It's a modular system, which is rare at this price. This is perfect for you if you want Ghost Controls reliability but don't need solar right now. Skip this one if you're completely off-grid or hate the idea of wiring. For suburban homes with nearby power, this is a smart, future-proof choice. Product number 5, Cozy 3300LB Heavy-Duty Sliding Opener. Finally, if you have a massive sliding gate like on a farm or commercial property, the Cozy 3300LB model at $386.28 is a beast. It handles gates up to 40 feet and a whopping 3,300 pounds, thanks to its reinforced steel frame and high-torque motor. This is one of the strongest sliding openers under $400. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 550W motor moves heavy gates smoothly at 42 feet per minute, and the roller chain system is built to last. It includes 2 remotes with 100-foot range, obstacle detection, and supports up to 25 remotes. Plus, it's weather-resistant and can be upgraded with solar panels or alarms later. Now, some people complained about the motor getting warm during extended use. Just avoid running it continuously for more than a few cycles, and it'll last for years. This is perfect for you if you have a large, heavy sliding gate and need serious power without spending over $500. Skip this one if you have a small residential gate. It's overkill. For farms, warehouses, or long driveways, this is unmatched value. So which one should you buy? For budget sliding gates, the Cozy 1400LB is hard to beat. Need solar for a single swing gate? Ghost Controls TSS1XB delivers freedom. Got a wide dual gate? The TDS2XB is built for it. Want Ghost quality without solar? The TSS1 is a smart middle ground. And for heavy-duty sliding gates, the Cozy 3300LB offers insane power for the price. Each has trade-offs, but all solve real problems. Just pick the one that fits your gate, budget, and lifestyle.